Welcome back, learners. Today, we will dive into one of the most colorful and crucial parts of photosynthesis. Yes, the topic is photosynthetic pigments. Photosynthetic cells contain special pigments that absorb light energy from the sun. These pigments are located in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. The key concept is, different pigments absorb different wavelengths of visible light. This makes the process of light absorption more efficient across the light spectrum. Let's look at the four major pigments. The first one is chlorophylls. It is of two types, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll A, it is the primary pigment. Its color is blue-green. It is directly involved in light reactions and absorbs violet, blue and red light, whereas it reflects green, which is why plants look green. Next is chlorophyll B. It is the accessory pigment. Its color is yellow-green. It absorbs blue and red-orange wavelengths and transfers energy to chlorophyll A. The second pigment is carotenoids. It includes carotenes and xanthophylls. Carotenes, its color is orange. It is antioxidants that protect chlorophyll. Xanthophylls, its color is yellow and it helps in light harvesting and protection from photooxidation. The third pigment is phycobilins. It is found in cyanobacteria and red algae. It absorbs green, yellow, and orange light. Lights which are not captured well by chlorophyll. The fourth one is flavonoids. They belong to polyphenolic compounds. They are widely distributed in leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Flavonoids are of different types. One is anthocyanins, which give red, blue, and purple colors. And another one are flavonols, flavones. They are often yellow color or colorless. Now, the question is, why are accessory pigments important? The answer is, accessory pigments like chlorophyll B, xanthophylls, carotenes, etc. help absorb light in wavelengths that chlorophyll misses. They pass that energy to chlorophyll A, making the process more efficient. Remember this, photosynthetic pigments absorb light energy for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll A is the primary pigment, essential and directly involved in light reactions. The presence of accessory pigments increases the efficiency of photosynthesis. Accessory pigments include chlorophyll B, yellow-green; xanthophylls, yellow; carotenes, orange. Accessory pigments extend the range of light absorption and protect chlorophyll from photooxidative damage. Blue and red light are most effective for photosynthesis. Pigments are located in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. That's all for today. Now, we will discuss top 10 high-yield questions on photosynthetic pigments. First 10 questions are MCQ type questions. Question 1. Which pigment is directly involved in the light reaction of photosynthesis? A. Chlorophyll B. B. Xanthophylls. C. Chlorophyll A. D. Carotene. Correct answer is option C. Chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A is the primary pigment that directly participates in the photochemical phase, light reaction, of photosynthesis by converting light energy into chemical energy. Other pigments are accessory pigments that transfer absorbed energy to chlorophyll A. Question 2. The pigment responsible for the yellow-orange color in carrots is A. Chlorophyll A, B. Xanthophylls, C. Carotene, D. Phycocyanin. Correct answer is C. Carotene. Carotene is an orange-colored carotenoid pigment found in high amounts in carrots. It plays a protective role in photosynthesis by quenching excess light energy and also serves as a precursor to vitamin A in animals. Question 3. Which of the following is not a photosynthetic pigment? A. Chlorophyll. B. Anthocyanin. C. Xanthophyll. D. Carotene. Correct answer is B. Anthocyanin. Anthocyanins are pigments responsible for red, purple, or blue colors in flowers, fruits, and leaves, but they do not participate in photosynthesis. The others, chlorophyll B, xanthophyll, and carotene, are all photosynthetic pigments involved in light absorption. Question 4. Which pigment is responsible for absorbing blue and red light and reflecting green light? A. Carotene. B. Chlorophyll A. C. Xanthophyll. D. Phycocyanin. Correct answer is B. Chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A absorbs light most efficiently in the blue and red regions of the spectrum and reflects green light, which is why plants appear green. Question 5. Which pigments protect chlorophyll from photooxidation? A. Carotenoids. B. Chlorophyll A. C. Phycobilins. D. Flavonoids. Correct answer is A. Carotenoids. Carotenoids, including carotenes and xanthophylls, are accessory pigments that not only absorb light, but also protect chlorophyll by quenching excess energy and preventing photooxidative damage caused by reactive oxygen species. Question 6. What is the main function of accessory pigments in photosynthesis? A. Store food. B. Produce ATP. C. Expand light absorption. D. Absorb CO. Correct answer is C. Expand light absorption. Accessory pigments like chlorophyll B, xanthophylls, and carotenes help plants capture a broader range of light wavelengths, transferring that energy to chlorophyll A, which performs the actual light reactions of photosynthesis. Question 7. Which pigment is present in red algae? A. Phycocyanin. B. Chlorophyll B. C. Phycoerythrin. D. Xanthophyll. Correct answer is C. Phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin is the major red pigment found in red algae. It allows them to absorb blue-green light, enabling photosynthesis in deeper waters where other wavelengths do not penetrate well. Question 8. Where are photosynthetic pigments located in plant cells? A. Nucleus. B. Thylakoid membrane. C. Cytoplasm. D. Cell wall. Correct answer is B. Thylakoid membrane. Photosynthetic pigments, such as chlorophylls and carotenoids, are embedded in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts, where they capture light energy for the light reactions of photosynthesis. Question 9. Which pigment absorbs maximum light in the blue and red regions? A. Chlorophyll A. B. Chlorophyll B. C. Carotene. D. Xanthophyll. Correct answer is A. Chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A shows peak absorption in the blue and red regions of the light spectrum. It is the main pigment responsible for driving the light reactions of photosynthesis. Question 10. Which pigment is responsible for the blue-green color of cyanobacteria? A. Xanthophyll. B. Carotene. C. Phycocyanin. D. Chlorophyll B. Correct answer is C. Phycocyanin. Phycocyanin is a blue-colored phycobilin pigment found in cyanobacteria and gives them their characteristic blue-green color. It plays a key role in capturing light energy for photosynthesis, especially in aquatic environments.